Presenting Acer EK220Q Full HD LCD Monitor. It is available in 21.5-inch and 23.8-inch size variants. You can also choose between 100Hz and 75Hz screen refresh rate. The 21.5-inch Full HD display has 1920 by 1080 resolution with VA panel for delivering an immersive viewing experience. The monitor has 250 nits brightness, 178-degree view angle and edge-to-edge zero-frame design. Care for your eyes with blue light shield, flickerless, low dimming, comfy view display, help reduce strain on eyes for heavy users. Its 1 millisecond VRB response time helps reduce ghost and smearing effect and eliminates blur on fast-moving objects. Its high refresh rate delivers outstanding fluidity of images, and also provides gamers an excellent in-game experience. Mount the monitor to suit your work or entertainment setup. You can also adjust from -5 to 20-degree tilted angle for the comfortable viewing. Built with integrated AMD FreeSync technology for enabling smooth gameplay, eliminating screen tearing, minimizing lag and latency. The monitor hosts different plug-in and port options such as VGA 1, HDMI ports with in-box HDMI cable. The box includes the monitor, stand, power cord, manual and HDMI cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.